conversation with one another. You'll hear how it sounds really cool when we get it. Okay? So we all come in together. You guys come in on the high, you guys come in on the low. Are you ready? You ready for our first train wreck? No, I'll think better than that. Okay? Going back to listening and leadership, and we play quieter, how that translates to leadership and listening is that we're playing softer. We're being softer, which makes us more receptive to the person that is trying to communicate with us. Space and listen, talk less and listen more.
I want to let go of a little bit of control. I tend to be very strict on myself and on the people I work with, and so I want to be able to open the floor more, be a little bit looser, be open to more ideas. And so I guess that kind of ties in what I want to bring in. I want to have a little bit more of an easygoing time and be more goal-oriented versus task-oriented, getting completed projects.
Fear of disappointment. I have a fear of disappointing you guys and Amory, and I want to bring in more positive change. So, muy bi be bun.
I want to let go of control because I like things going my way, and I want to gain more collaboration with others and their ideas.
I want to let go of unneeded stress, and I'm going to do that. By bringing in more meditative practice and exercise into my life.
And is more like healthy practices and patience. I think patience is really important, and sometimes I want it to be so quick. Everything around me is going so fast.
And bring in more compassion. And more heart, I guess.
What?